Yung isa kong dog, yung maliit, hindi din siya marunong mag-catch ng ball. Yun lang, Rottweiler. Normal lang yan sa aso. Hello, Marimar. What happened? Hindi kasi gusto ni Whitey ng maraming emoji. Dapat mag-comment about sa video or about sa live. Kasi bawal yun ni Whitey kapag iba yung i-comment. Okay lang kung mangumusta, hello, hi, that's normal. But kapag iba na yung i-comment, i-add to spam na talaga yon. Especially kung maraming emojis, iba't ibang emojis. Bawal kasi yun. Automatic yan. Ma-add sa spam. Kaya lang i-comment ninyo about sa dog. Kung makita yung video about sa dog lang i-comment ninyo. Ganun talaga eh. Hindi yan sa akin ha. Hindi ako nag-time out. 600 seconds time out. When I put. Hindi sa akin yan. That is computerized. Baby loves, come. Give me the ball, alam. Mother 10 na B. B, give me the ball, my love. Shotzi. Come. Sometimes you scare me. Sometimes you can scare me. Yeah, you time out again. Give me the ball, my love. Shotzi. Dali na. Shotzi. Ay, wait, I will clean. I must clean the ball. Wait. Shotzi, give me the ball. I must clean it. It's dirty. You put it in the soil. Come on, sweetheart. Give me. Dali. Na dirty. The ball is dirty. Give me. I will clean it first. Hello, my darling. My small, lovely dog. Dali, love. You stay there. Right under your cloud is where I find it. Good day. Thank you for bringing the ball back, my darling. Slowly, oy. Slowly? Move backward. You're so close to me. Oh, thank you for bringing the ball back, my darling. Hindi po natanggal yung canine tooth nila. Hindi. Hindi pa naman.